To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to play tone when your call ends, you have to enable play tone when call ends option in the phone app setting. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Tap call alert and ringtone. Under call alert section, tap the gray on off switch next to play tone when call ends until the switch on screen to turn it on. When this feature is on, your phone will play a subtle tone when the call has ended. Given to the function, enabling this feature will give you a quick audio confirmation when a call disconnects. This is useful for knowing exactly when a call has ended, especially if you are in a noisy environment or not looking at your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.